Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Low Sodium Queen, and today we're going to be making green onion salad as a side to go with our meal today. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get a bowl with some water and some ice and make sure it's super chilly before beginning. And then there we have a bunch of green onions. What we're going to do is we're going to stack the green onions and slice them. Now you want to take your ice water and just throw them in there. And once they start to curl, they're ready to be seasoned. This will take the strong oniony taste out, as these will be eaten raw. So there we go. Okay, so now we're going to make the mixture for the green onion salad. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of our low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of our sesame oil, and then 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And then you just mix it all up. And there you have it. Green onion salad to go with the Korean ribs and the Chinese buttered potatoes. Sorry for the beeping, that's my Remodulant pump. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Until next time, bye!